Remember those reel-to-reel cassettes that were shown in every deck for sale in the catalogues? Well, this is not it. What does it say here? Spare Capstan felt pad for replacement. Okay, what are they talking about? Well, this is a Philips reel-to-reel cassette that is a Capstan cleaner cassette. I've never seen one of these before, and I'm sure many other people have never seen this before either. The cleaning tape path is through here, and it takes a shortcut onto the reel this way. So that's your spare Capstan felt pad replacement stuck to the iCard, I guess. And here we have the instructions that are really difficult to read. In a nutshell, they tell you to put the cleaning fluid in that hole there, as well as the pad itself, the Capstan cleaning pad. And you'll see the tape itself taking a turn and going up on the reel there. Instead of going through here, the Capstan just gets cleaned up by this felt pad here, which is really interesting. I'll try to get a good shot of the instructions and what it says on here. You can pause it to read it. Yeah, it's as good as it gets. Here's some pictures. Where you put in the cleaning fluid and how to replace the felt pads. Who wants to see this thing in action? I've taken the door off of my cassette deck for this demonstration, and here's the Capstan cleaning tape. It does spin fast, or maybe it's the illusion of the reels, and that is it. Amazing. So thanks for checking out the Philips reel-to-reel Capstan cleaning cassette with me. see you in the next or in the previous video. Thanks for watching.